You put a lot of planning, hard work, and investment into every fencing, gate, and pool project. At Locinox, we believe the quality of the hardware should reflect your efforts. So choose a lock that can outlive you. You can use it hundreds of times a day in the blistering heat, or can even install it in the extreme cold of Antarctica. Our Fortima pool safety latch locks as it should every time, thanks to the magnet that's twice the size as anything else out there in the market. The smooth lift-to-open handle will keep kids safe with a height requirement meeting standard pool code. Add the Tiger hydraulic self-closing hinge to your gate and be assured that your gate will close behind you every time. With the Tiger and Fortima, you have a pool code compliant gate package that will serve you for years. All the function you want in a form worthy of your gate. Locinox. Let's make it better together.